Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Confluent Schema Registry, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Confluent Schema Registry, first, ensure you have a Confluent Cloud account. Visit the Confluent Cloud website and sign in. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button and complete the registration form. Next, navigate to the Confluent Cloud dashboard after logging in. On the dashboard, locate the Schema Registry option in the left-hand menu. Click on Schema Registry to access the registry settings. From there, click the Create Cluster button to start setting up your Schema Registry. Choose the desired cloud provider and region for your Schema Registry cluster. After selecting your options, click Continue to proceed. Review your configuration and click Create to finalize the cluster setup. Once your Schema Registry cluster is created, you'll see it listed on the dashboard. Click on your newly created Schema Registry to manage schemas. Next, locate the API Key section to generate credentials. Click on Create API Key and fill in the necessary details. Once your API key is generated, copy it for future use. Return to your Schema Registry page to upload your first schema. Click on Add Schema to begin the registration process for your schema. Enter the schema details in the provided fields, ensuring the format is correct. After filling out the required information, click Save to register the schema. Your schema is now registered and can be accessed through the registry. Review your registered schemas to ensure everything is correct. You're now ready to utilize Confluent Schema Registry for your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.